Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Right now, morning 4:30, we are going to Malico, Pangasinan. It is a beautiful mountain and viewpoint. We are going to check it out. My friend Kimson going to pick me up. It is going to be a road trip. It is going to be a fantastic day. I'll see you guys in the road. Right now, almost like 5:45. We are in Karanglan for a coffee because it's very cold right now. Super cold, huh? What are we taking?
Nescafe Original.
Nescafe Original. Normally I won't drink coffee, but this case, because of the cold, I'm going to drink some coffee. Actually, it's really nice and very refreshing. Looks like very cloudy today. I don't think so we can make it up. That's our vehicle. Take me a photo. Okay. Wow. Wow. We are officially welcome. Right now it's like almost like a 6:25. We are in the border of Nevesia. After this, we are going to Pangasinan. It is very cold. See, that is the border. I never shiver like this. It's really cold. So when you come over here, you need a proper jacket like this and proper gloves. My God, it's like shaking right now. So, time for gasoline. Let's see how it goes. 6:40 in the morning. We are almost there, but not yet. It's almost misty over there. Still have to go maybe another 10 kilometers.
Here's my new friend.
You see that reflection over there? See that? It's almost like 7 o'clock. What is the name? Imugan? How you say it?
Imugan viewpoint.
Imugan viewpoint? My God, right now it's totally misty. I don't know how much you can see visibly. Look at this. It's totally misty. It's a viewpoint, but this is the view you can get. Wow. Totally misty. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. I don't know. When we come back, if you are lucky, we will have a view. The visibility is only 50-meter radius. Look, this is the situation. 7 o'clock in the morning. The mist coming out from our mouth, you can see that. The mist coming out, almost like this kind of experience. This is the first time in Philippines. We are leaving Imugan right now. I don't know how much you can hear me. The wind is too much over here. Almost we are shaking right now. Sikkim-san, very cold right now. I wish little bit more sunlight and clear sky. Anyway, still early. Right now it's like a 7:30. The condition a little bit very cold. See that? See the mirror is like a foggy underwater. It's very cold. So we parked the vehicle over here and we are going down. Yeah. So stickers are there. Small like this. So we pay 75 pesos. We go check it out what is inside. You have a charging station in the entrance. You can charge your cell phone. Multiple cards available. Not bad. The view is not bad. Really tough to handle, eh? Very cold. Freaking arms. I'm shivering. My hand is shaking right now. But I've been in so many places, but I never shaken them like this. My voice is going somewhere. I can't even hold the GoPro like this steadily. The scenery is fantastic. The problem is windy. Yeah, it's very windy and very cold. It's very cold. Seriously cold. It's open. The store is open right now. Wow. Look at the store. Much better actually. Oh, that's much more. Look at the place. Really more warmer. Over here. Outside is very cold. Inside no problem. Here. Have mini stores. Yeah, tea, coffee. You can buy it over here. Tea, coffee. Pancakes. An egg sandwich. Steak and beef. Okay, looks nice. So you can check it out. That is my blog.
Oh,
Life of Raj.
okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
I will open.
Okay. So I think I cannot fly my drone over here because of the wind too much, and we are shaking also, and we couldn't get clear shot. So I missed the chance to fly a drone over here. But we are going to the next location. Let's see how it goes. Probably our luck will be much better with the view, because right now very misty and very windy. That is the information about the tank. So you can pause the video and you can read it yourself. It's almost like 8 o'clock right now. Too much wind outside. Inside is like a heaven. What do you think? Yeah. If it is no wind, we can definitely fly the drone. But right now, windy, at the same time misty, there is no point flying the drone. But the scenery is outstanding. You should check it out. I highly recommend this place. Hopefully come in afternoon, lunchtime, not in the morning.
Anong kwan, boss? Anong
Yeah.
binalunan? Shout out.
Yeah, you can check it out. Okay. Okay.
Ano kita, boss?
Okay, bye-bye. Bye. Put my sticker in this wall. So we need to find a empty place. Empty place. Empty place. Probably here. It's beautiful. Even small things a little bit harder because of the weather. Seriously. Actually getting better right now. Wow.